this all I'm having. This video is gonna be a haul.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakriti. So today in this video, as per the title suggests, it will be basically a haul, a geo haul, and all the items I will be showing in this video are all Indian wears, rather to say the kurta set. So festive seasons are really knocking at the door. So I thought, why not to do a Indian clothes wala haul. So that's all gave me the idea to do this. I hope you will all be liking this haul very much then. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Also, I will be telling you the different sizes as per me, of course, the size, what you should go for, about the material, about the prices. So one by one I will be doing that. So if you guys are interested, please carry on watching the video. And yeah, before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So without any further ado, let's start the video. All are just here with me. So this all I'm having to show you guys now, and I have already cut the package so that it will be easy for me to grab. So starting with this first. So this kurta, which is green color. So this kurta is from AKS, the brand name is AKS. I got in the size small here, which cost me not to be specific, 693 rupees. I just love this kurta. This is so comfortable. Like, it's a pure cotton, and the brand, of course, AKS. I guess you all have heard this brand before. Name of the kurta, it says that it's the floral print kurta set. It comes with a palazzo, and you will see after that how it looks on me as a whole. I got this in the size small, the S1, but still this is really loose. Everything comes from comfort zone only, so I just love this kurta. I mean, I styled it with this silver jewelries, but you can go for the black color ka jewelry that comes these days, the metallic one. I think the black color metallic one, you can go for that as well. I will style it in that way also, so I will post the picture on Instagram, so don't forget to connect me there. Okay, so yeah, this is just amazing. I have no issues with size except the sleeve part, but it's okay, it's comfortable, it's totally good. Now let's open the second one. So let me tell you guys, I am opening all the packages for the first time. Today morning it just arrived. We both are looking it for the first time, except this kurta, of course. Wow, so this is how the set look like. I mean, the color is so good. So this is the one. This is from the brand Bhama. So I ordered this in the size small, and it cost me 935 rupees. And see the silver works, the gota wala kam. I think it's called gota only. If you can see, there is also a navy blue detailing going on at the corner. So now you guys see how it actually looks on me. So let's move on to the next I have. So this is the two packaging it comes in. So it's from the brand Sarah, if you can see. Yeah. And this is the bottom pant. It's basically a kalamkari. I just love kalamkari. Yeah. So size I got it is in medium. The original price here written is for 2494. I don't know if this much is the range of this kalamkari. Yeah, kalamkaris are quite costly then, but I don't think so. So this cost me 649 rupees. So this is how the upper part look like. It has this drawstring around the bust area. Look from this area, and overall the look is very modern and the chic one. It has this long cut from just up from where the drawstring is. The color and the print is so beautiful. The top part and the bottom part doesn't match, but exactly for what I got it for. It gives you much more put together look. So I just loved it. The print is just amazing. I think it's more beautiful than what I saw in the image, to be honest with you guys. So you will see now how it looks on me. So now let's come to the last package from the haul. The color which was shown on the side was really different. The dupatta is, yeah, I remember, but I don't remember because I haven't ordered in this color. The brand called this. I'm so skeptical about this because I thought something else in my mind, and it came to be much more different than I expected. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's not expected like this. So yeah, detailing also there on the border, matlab at the lower end also there is detailing. So let me check the bottom wear if it has the same thing. So if you can see on the image, I will also put there, at the bottom part there are some detailing, white lace wala detailing going on at the bottom, but the one has nothing on the bottom. It's all plain. I am quite upset about this one. Let me check whether the size will fit me or not. So I got this in the size small, and the name is the lace straight kurta set. So I can't find here the original price, but I will mention it on the screen. You can see that, and it cost me 610 rupees. So I paid for this is 610 rupees. And even if I tell you, the pattern of this dupatta is also different. It's a square diamond shape or square shape ka pattern hai, but here it's not like that. It's a straight line one. So there is a lot of difference. But let's see. I hope it looks good on me because I don't want to return it. Again, all those exchange and thing I don't want actually because मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा लगता है इसमें. So yeah. So I really don't know what to say about it. I think it looks good only, but of course it doesn't match my expectation, what I thought from. And even I told you guys that how different it is from the actual image on the side. So let me move on to the last outfit. This is this gorgeous green color. Let me show you. Ooh, see. The sole reason behind buying this kurta set is because of the color. I mean, I don't have any kurta, even any clothes of this color. I just love it, and I guess it's on the much more trendy side. And yeah, it gives so much of festive look. I'll be mentioning the material it is made up of, and here it says white clearly, dry clean only. So let me tell you the size and the price I got it for. So it says the straight kurta set with take something print. I got in the size medium and it cost you, please guess the price now and you will be shocked when I will be telling you. It cost me only 584 rupees. I love this color. I don't know how it will look on me, so let's try now. I think this look is pretty good. It's quite loose for me. I have to do some fittings there. And what I feel, it's not that comfortable than rest of the one I shown. But it's just amazing, just mind-blowing for a festive look to create. Yeah, so you know the Ganpati and the Janmashtami is coming, you know. I think I'll be wearing this on the Ganpati, and for Janmashtami I'll be wearing the blue one. That's all I decided in mind. Let's see what happens. I'll be putting all the images on my Instagram. So tomorrow is Janmashtami. I wish you all a happy Janmashtami. Wait for the Ajio haul. I will be soon going to do some cool t-shirt, not cool, cool as well as casual t-shirt wala haul. So please comment section में लिखना कि तुम कौन सा ब्रांड का ऐसे देखना चाहते हो, कौन सा ब्रांड, and also name me the site from where you want to see t-shirt वाला thing or anything else like t-shirt हो गया या फिर more Indian wears or joggers, pants. Obviously you can put that in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to click the like button and comment down below which of the outfit you like the most. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.